So you're posting, you're showing up, but no clients. Listen, I see it all the time. Brilliant entrepreneurs pouring their best insights into long-form text posts, hoping to attract clients. But instead, they get applause, not inquiries. Likes, not leads. Comments, but no conversions. If that's you, here's the hard truth. Text posts alone isn't enough to grow your business. And in this video here, I'm going to share with you how you can go from text only to video, even if you hate being on camera. Well, hey, I'm Christopher Harrell, also known as the Marketing Superman, and I've helped tons of entrepreneurs, especially introverts, ditch the text-only approach and use video to attract premium clients faster. Look, text posts, they're amazing for awareness, but they just don't build the kind of trust that gets people to buy. And here's why. Number one, people cannot experience you in text. See, they can read your words, but guess what? They cannot feel your energy, right? Number two, trust takes much longer to build with text posts. See, if you're relying on text only, it can take months before someone is ready to work with you. And number three, video builds authority way faster. See, people buy from those who they know, like, and trust. And video accelerates that by 10, or by 20, by 50, or by 100. But hey, listen, I get it. Video feels intimidating. And maybe you don't know where to start, right? And I get it, you don't want to feel awkward on camera. So you know what? Let's make this easy peasy lemon squeezy, as the kids say. Well, when my kids were really little, they used to say that. I don't know what they say today, but you know what I mean. So here are 3 simple steps to go from text-based content to video without the overwhelm. You ready? Step 1, start with what you already post. See, instead of overthinking what to say, take a post that already resonated with your audience and turn it into a video. Example, if you wrote a text post about the #1 mistakes entrepreneurs make in marketing, guess what? Turn that same post into a 60-second video. In fact, one of my clients named Sharon was terrified of video. She relied on text posts for years, but once she followed my formula, she booked her first client within days of posting her very first video. Now, let me know in the comments, have you ever turned one of your text posts into a video? Post it in the comments right now. Step 2, use a simple video formula. See, when I first started doing video many moons ago, I would just ramble and ramble and ramble. Besides not knowing what to say, I really had nothing good to say because I thought I should just turn the thing on and everyone would just come flocking to me, right? That's what I saw on TV, right? But needless to say, that did not happen until I discovered a simple formula, and then things began to change. You see, one reason video feels hard is because you don't know what to say. So here's a simple 3-part script to follow. First, the hook. Ask a question or state a common struggle. Secondly, value. Share 1 to 2 key insights, just like you would in a text post, all right? And the third thing, call to action. Tell them the next step. Comment below, follow for more, or grab a resource or something, right? Here's an example. Are you posting but not getting clients? Well, here's why. Then explain the problem. Then end it with, hey, drop the word video below if you want a free guide. Okay, something like that. And step number 3, stop aiming for perfection. Just start. This reminds me so much of a client named Kenya. She was so hesitant about doing videos online, right? I mean, she made every excuse she could come up with to avoid doing it. My hair, my surroundings, the weather, the cat, the dog, whatever, right? But when I explained to her, the faster you get the suck out, the faster your brand will grow. And guess what? The faster and more sales you will make. So she finally posted, and actually posted 30 days in a row with the client challenge I gave to our clients. And boom, her following grew over 800% in 30 days. See, perfection is not the goal. Consistency is. Listen, I got something to tell you. Come in close. Come in really close. Your first videos will not be perfect. Your first videos might feel awkward, but the more you show up, the more natural it becomes. So here's what I want you to do next. Join my free 5-day video course. In just 5 days, you're going to learn how to stop feeling awkward on camera. Also, you're going to learn a simple way to structure your videos so they convert. And you're going to discover why video is the key to turning viewers into clients. Listen, my friend, I've helped countless introverts feel much more confident on video. So now it's your turn. If you are serious about making video work for you, do not wait, do not procrastinate. Comment the word video below. Put the word video in the comments and I'll see you in my free training. Or look at the description below and you will see the link. But my friend, come to the free 5-day video course. If you found this valuable, type in the comments right now what you found most valuable. If it's your very first time checking me out here on this platform, on this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, hit the bell button. Do what you gotta do, my friend, to stay connected, to get more valuable content like this. And also, show your boy some love by liking this video and hitting the share button as well, my friend. So until next time, remember this, put God first in all that you do and you too shall succeed. Peace and God bless.